doing a test kit? No, is it sure?
Getting the message out to those who may be reluctant to hear it. Today, public health teams were out in the centre of Bolton, spreading the word about the worsening COVID infection figures. New restrictions here mean people are no longer allowed to mix with other households indoors and are being discouraged from using public transport unless essential.
I think it's just going to be difficult for people. I think it's getting a bit extreme, isn't it?
There's too many selfish people that it's not going to affect me, or the masks don't work.
It's a good idea because as the pandemic is on, we all have a duty and a responsibility.
But some here still appear to be in denial about the outbreak.
I don't know no one who died of this virus, as myself. I know there might be cases where it did happen, but myself and amongst my mates.
These teams have been handing out test kits to the key demographic, those aged between 18 and 49. Experts say 90% of the new cases occurring in Bolton are in that age group. For businesses like the Northern Monkey Brewhouse, the new restrictions just pile on further financial pressure.
We've obviously been using the furlough scheme, got to a point where we've just started to take the staff off furlough and open up more days, and then boom, we're closing back down again and we're having stricter regulations again.
At the nearby Topaz restaurant, they're digesting the news.
This has been my first business in this country, then of course I'm worried. I can tell you I have everything on the control, because this is something we don't have under control.
But the local council insists they had no choice.
It's important that we avoid going into further lockdown, which we know will create quite significant damage to economy, to jobs and to people's well-being.
While other areas of the north will see restrictions ease this week, in Bolton measures are tightening. The message, especially to the young, is to take social distancing seriously in a town which now has the highest number of infections in the entire country. Dan Rivers, ITV News, Bolton.